I know that taking the new construction journey to home ownership can be overwhelming. You have production building, semi-custom building, and fully custom building. Hi, I'm lashambra.ewing, realtor here in Houston, Texas, and today I'm going to walk you through the semi-custom changes that my clients made to the Whitley 2 floor plan by J. Patrick. So come on. So the first change that we made is we removed the stairs. My client thought that it would be a trip hazard, so we got rid of the stairs, which also made the ceiling in the office higher. Then the second change that we made was we dropped this ceiling. By dropping the ceiling, my client was able to put a gym upstairs. So currently it's just attic space, but we dropped this ceiling and now they have a gym. Third and final change, which made the biggest impact, was we extended this closet 7 feet. So imagine this wall being pushed back 7 feet. That's only something you could get in a semi-custom or a custom home. So if you are a luxury client looking for an experienced luxury agent to walk you through all your possibilities, then feel free to contact me.